Yo! What's going on, guys? Welcome to Manny's Tuning, and thank you for being patient. I just want to say thank you very much for being patient. So, it's been a little while, I know. Posting periodically, sporadically, whatever it might be. And just want to give you guys an update on my prelude and what I got going on. So here, let's check it out. So, I pulled apart my engine, my main cap. I got my flywheel or my crank cap right here. Got my main caps. Got my head. Got my bearings, my old bearings. So, long story short, pulled it apart because my rocker arms gave out on the head. And I was trying to figure out basically what was going on with it. Why I had some metal in my pickup. Pulled the cans off and figured, hey, it's probably time for a rebuild. So anyways, pulled the block apart. Got my oil pump right here. Got my crank. Got my pistons from the previous build that I might end up using. I don't know. We'll see how everything goes. Sorry for the background noise. That's my ceiling vent. So yeah. So here's my oil pump right here. Not having a good time. Definitely not having a good time. Now let's see if we can pull that off. I don't know if you can see this, but here is my oil pump gear. Sorry, bad camera angles. But it ain't happy. Let me just tell you that. It's not happy. So I might end up ordering a new oil pump and whatnot. But yeah, here's all my miscellaneous parts. Got everything kind of set up. There's my engine bay. Yep, there it is right there. So yeah, we're rebuilding everything, and I will keep you guys updated on the, I guess, install portion of everything. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon.